Hi, my name is Ling. I'm the nurse consultant here in the liver clinic at St. George Hospital. We look after people with chronic hepatitis. If the liver is damaged, it's really affect our health. So things that can affect your liver are including viral hepatitis, including hepatitis B or hepatitis C, fatty liver, alcohol, and also drugs as well. So chronic hepatitis B is a very common liver disease caused by hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B is transmitted largely in three ways. The first one is from the mother to child at the birth if the newborn did not receive vaccination. The second one is through unsafe injections. And the last one is from unprotected sex. There is a misunderstanding that women have hepatitis B cannot be pregnant because it is bad to the liver and they can pass the virus to the baby. This is not true. With effective treatment, the mother can still have a healthy baby without passing the virus on. There's no so-called healthy carrier. Once you've diagnosed with chronic hepatitis B, regular checkup is very important.
People might not know where they can go for testing and treatment. There are treatments for hepatitis B, so people can live a long and healthy life. That is why it is so important for people who may be at risk to get tested. Hepatitis B is common in many countries around the world. About what % of people in New South Wales have hepatitis B? Almost half don't know they have it. Many people get hepatitis B as a baby or a young child and live with it for a long time before it makes them sick.
You should get tested if you were born in a country with high prevalence of hepatitis B, have family members with hepatitis B, now or previously, had a medical or dental procedure overseas, had a tattoo or piercing overseas. Treatment can control the virus and stop damage to the liver.
It is important if a person has hepatitis B to see the doctor or liver health nurse regularly.
A health worker can give a person the best advice on how to look after themselves and their liver.
Most people do not have symptoms or do not know they are living with hepatitis B. The only way to know is by getting tested.
One, chronic hepatitis B is a preventable and treatable disease. Two, to assess the risk and get tested from a simple blood test, please contact the liver clinic at St. George Hospital.
St. George 医院肝科门诊免费提供肝脏健康检查。今天就给 St. George 医院肝科门诊打电话预约。
आफ्नो लिभर हेल्थको जाँच गर्नको लागि सेन्ट जोर्ज लिभर क्लिनिकमा निशुल्क उपलब्ध छ। आजै सेन्ट जोर्ज लिभर क्लिनिकमा फोन गरेर एपोइन्टमेन्टको लागि बुक गर्नुहोस्।